So inside of Figma, whether you're using a design file or you're using a FigJam file, if you want to find out actions that you want to apply, then you can use something called quick actions. And to access the quick actions, you can go to menu right here, and here you can see quick actions is an option. Once you click on this, what happens is that a search area pops up. So you can search for commands that you want to apply. So let's say if I were to type in copy, you can see copy and PNG pops up. So there may be things that you do not actually remember on where to navigate for. So you can simply go to quick actions. So Control/ is the shortcut key for this. So Control/ is here. So you can search for copy and copy this as PNG right here. Right click and paste, and there you go. So you copied out that item as PNG. Same goes for here as well. So you can go around and select out certain things right here. So you can go around over here onto quick actions. You can go around right here, search for copy as PNG and press Ctrl V, and it gets pasted out right here. So that is how you can work around with quick actions inside of a Figma file, in the Figma design file or FigJam file. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.